After the success of Realme 8 and Realme 8 Pro, Realme is all set to launch the 5G variant of the Realme 8 series, that is Realme 8 5G. The key specifications of the smartphone have been leaked online before the launch of the phone in Thailand on 21st April 2021. The device will have two colorways, Supersonic Black and Supersonic Blue. The company is confident that it will make the success with the appealing specification and support for the 5th generation networks. So without wasting your time, let us discuss the specification. The handset will be powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, which is a 7nm chipset bringing Cortex-A75 cores with a 2.2 GHz clock speed. The processor is coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Coming to the camera specification, the phone will have top left punch hole housing the selfie camera of 8MP. Moving around to the back, the device has a triple rear camera array with an 48MP main shooter with an aperture of f1.8 and a 2MP macro module and finally a 2MP depth lens. After seeing the specification, the phone looks the rebranded version of the Realme V13 5G launched back in China. The Realme 8 5G flaunts a 6.5-inch punch-hole display with a 90Hz refresh rate. Since one of the images confirm a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, we assume that the 5G variant will, just like its 4G sibling, will have an LCD display. Hopefully, this is an Full HD Plus panel. Like the Realme 8 and Realme 8 Pro, this device also will be thin, measuring 8.5mm and weighing just 185 grams. So these are the details we know so far about the Realme 8 5G. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.